Jumpman's exclusive Air Jordan 4 Sierra Red is a Valentine's Day themed sneaker set to release on February 7, 2026, for $220. Its design emphasizes love and celebration, highlighted by oversized lipstick kiss prints on the insoles encircling the Jumpman logo and smaller kiss details on the tongue lining. The color palette brings energy and boldness, combining Sierra Red on the sockliner, lace eyelets, heel tab, and back logo with tough red touches across the midsole, forefoot, and outsole. These romantic graphics paired with vibrant tones make the pair festive and symbolic, aligning perfectly with the Valentine's season. Dropping in women's sizing through select retailers and Nike.com, the release blends flair, exclusivity, and collector appeal. Ultimately, the Sierra Red edition captures both seasonal spirit and iconic Jordan style, offering sneaker fans a playful yet striking way to mark the holiday.